A local D-rated school was given millions of dollars so its students would be better prepared for their futures.
Duval County Schools announced the program at Northwestern Middle School. As Action News Jack's Caitlin Channer reports, the hope is to get students motivated to pick up a skill set in computer science.
A multi-million-dollar grant is helping the school district encourage the kids to find their passion in technology and in computer science. Working on the computer, designing games, or developing cybersecurity software are things these kids are interested in.
A game designer. I like to be a game designer.
Computer science is like everything to the world.
These middle schoolers say the future in computer science is unlimited. The nearly 570 students at Northwestern Middle School will be equipped with the technology next year as they learn about coding, gaming, animation, and sound engineering. Duval County Public Schools created a state-of-the-art computer science academy at this school through a school improvement grant initiative.
This is going to be a unique school, and it will be a destination for students at the middle school level.
This $2.1 million grant will give students the chance to learn algorithms, how to make apps, and become familiar with how the internet works. These STEM labs will also be implemented in 44 schools across the district to give other students a better understanding of how technology affects every field.
It's important that we make certain that all neighborhoods have a quality educational system, program, initiative in each neighborhood school.
I love technology.
New at 5, I'll tell you why Duval County Superintendent thinks this grant will be helpful in inspiring kids to find their passion in a growing industry. Reporting in Jacksonville, Caitlin Channer, CBS 47, Action News Jax.